Cuties to tease. Hi friends, welcome to Cuties to tease. Today we are going to make two types of bracelet with rubber band. Let us start. For this we will take one rubber band and take another one. Now take the one and press it. Hold it in the middle, take another and put it inside of this and fold it. You will get it like this. Now we have a hole in this red color. Now we are going to take another rubber band and we are going to put this rubber band inside this red color's hole. It will come like this. Now we finish making the rubber band, joining and now we have finished making the bracelet. So now we are going to take the last part and put it inside the blue color. It will come like this and then take these two, put one inside another and pull that. It will make a knot over there and so it will not come out. Now, and if you want in this end you can also add a hook, so instead of making the knot, and that will also be nice. Now let's take two pencils and one eraser and then keep it in the middle and keep another like this, and then take the tape and let's stick it on top of it. This loom can be used to many types of bracelets, not only this, so it will be very helpful. Now let us start making the rubber band bracelet. Let's take the same rubber band which we used for the last bracelet. Now take one rubber band, put it inside the blue one, take it, twist it, put it inside the second one. Put it little down. Now let's take the second rubber band and put it on top of it. Now if you want you can put another rubber band on top of it and then put it up, but I am not going to take another rubber band, I am just going to take one of it. Now take this and put it inside and take this and put it inside. Let's do many like this itself. Let's adjust this. Now take another rubber band and put it on the top. If you don't have it, if you cannot make this loom, you can also make it with your hand, like with two fingers. Now we have finished making this band bracelet. Look how it has come. This is very simply we made with only two pencil and an eraser. If we had to make it with hands, our fingers may get hurt over here and it will also paint. So it will be a very difficult to make. So this is a very easy method. Now let us take this out. And now we are going to take this and we are going to join this. If you have a hook, you can also join it with a hook. It will make a knot. Now look, we have finished the rubber band bracelet. This is a very easy method, and we can do this bracelet at 5 minutes, and it's looking so beautiful. Now we finished making our 2 rubber band bracelets and 1 hand loom, which we can use for many kind of rubber band bracelets. And we have made 2 bracelets, one with this loom. So I hope this video is very helpful and useful, and this is a very good art and craft, and we can learn many things. We will meet you in another interesting and helpful video. Until then, bye bye from Kutties Chutties.